Hey guys, I'm back after a pretty long break to create some super sweet content for y'all. Ever thought about lazy baking? Ever wanted to make a pie but didn't have a pie tray? Or even if you did, you just didn't want to do all that meticulous work to get that perfect shape? Well, I've got you. Introducing the first recipe of our fall series, Spiced Apple Galette. This freeform super easy pie is all you need to officially get on the pie wagon this fall. So let's get all our ingredients sorted and get started. Start by preheating the oven to 190 degrees. Then add cold butter into the flour and sugar and start working the butter into it to form a breadcrumb like texture. This takes some time, so be a little patient with it. Next, add cold water into this and slowly bring it all together, making sure that you do not overmix it. Now place the dough in a cling wrap and slightly press it to form a thick circle and place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour before we start rolling it out. While the dough is chilling, we make our sinful cinnamon apple filling. Start by peeling the apples and slicing them. Add in the brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, and lime juice and mix it all together until the apples are fully coated. Cover this with a cling wrap and pop it into the refrigerator. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and watch some Brooklyn Nine-Nine as we wait. Our dough is now well rested. Place it on a parchment paper and dust some flour over it. Start rolling the dough to form a rough circle. In this case, the dough does not have to be in perfect shape as we'll fold the sides inward later on. Make sure you don't roll out the dough very thick. Once the dough is rolled out, you can tuck in any rough edges if you want. This step is completely optional, so you can choose to leave the dough as it is. Next, arrange the apples without the juices at the center of the dough, leaving about 2 inches of the border all around. Now gently fold the dough into or over the apples, overlapping the dough as required. In case the dough tears, don't freak out, just pinch and tuck the dough and keep moving on. Brush the sides of the dough with an egg wash to give it that beautiful golden brown color when it bakes. Now drizzle some sinful homemade salted caramel all over the galette. Recipe is attached in the link above. Finish off with some pearl sugar and let's bake this beauty. So here you go guys, how easy was that? This freeform dessert is as sinful and indulgent as a regular pie, but half the work. The fact is, you just cannot mess this up. You can go all out with the shape and still make it look rustic and gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video as much as I loved making it for y'all, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. More fall content coming your way. Bye!